Hello, and thanks for your interest in the Department of Materials Science and Engineering at Sheffield. We're really pleased that you're considering coming to study with us. At Sheffield, we take our teaching and the involvement of students as active partners in the learning process very seriously. Let us show you a bit more about what Materials Science and Engineering has to offer and why we deserve our world-class reputation.
I think the best aspect of this department is the personal nature of the teaching and the interactions you have with lecturers and teaching staff. Because it's a close-knit department, it allows you to build relationships with lecturers, which really helps with your teaching.
Once you arrive at the university and you start your course, you will be given an opportunity to do practicals from day one, and you'll be provided with facilities that are of a high level.
A lot of the academics have industrial connections and they're really happy to share those contacts with students, and that's actually how I got my second placement, and actually as a result of the placement I got offered a job from them.
So one of the highlights of my degree has been spending 5 months within Jaguar Land Rover down in Coventry. I was positioned with the traction battery test laboratory, which was bringing into line the Jaguar Land Rover's new electric vehicles and the batteries that can run them.
MAGSOC provides a social opportunity for a whole department. As a member of a committee, you can also gain invaluable experience by organizing different events. It can include outreach activities and also organizing some lectures for general public. It's also useful for your CV and just general employability in the future.
Having a study space like the Diamond has been very useful for me doing the 4-year research masters because they have practical sessions using things like X-ray diffraction and microscopy, which are techniques that are used by academics. So in my final year, when I integrated into a research group, I already had the skills necessary just to get on with work.
For me, like being an international student, I was really fascinated by the idea of Sheffield University because we have students from more than 140 different countries, and then it's really warm and welcoming, and we have students union where we have different cultural societies, and it's one of the best students union in the UK.
In addition to Sheffield being a highly regarded engineering university, the thing I like about it most is that we're so close to the Peak District. I can just hop on my bike, cycle for 20 minutes, and I'm out of a city and in a massive open green space, and I can do climbing, cycling, all the sports I like to do.
I hope you like what you've seen. If you have any questions, talk to a member of staff at an open day, give us a ring or send us an email.